Begin by selecting the desired mandrel and placing it into the tool, along with the corresponding nose piece. Screw the rivet nut onto the mandrel, ensuring a number of threads are visible at the bottom of the rivet nut. Adjust the nose piece and ensure the rivet is tight. Be sure the mandrel is also tightened. With the ratchet switch in the up position, it is set and ready to start ratcheting. Place the rivet nut into the hole. Use the top handle as a support while using the bottom handle to ratchet. Once at the level required, flick the switch in opposite direction to unlock the position, then simply undo the bolt. You now have a fully functioning nut.